So, George left the booth unattended, so I decided to take the card machine and we're going to see if he notices or freaks out. We'll see. Okay guys, behind me is 3 new cars that's getting delivered right now. They're a little more affordable cars. It's a little different from the regular MPH Club, exotic, super luxury. These are a little more affordable, so we've got options. It looks like we have a Range Rover, a Porsche, and a new BMW. So we're gonna take some photos, add them to the website, and if you wanna rent them, just reach out to one of our sales reps.
One eternity later.
Slide it out.
Oh yeah, we're pretty excited. We've been
So light.
pretty good, yeah. But I figured you didn't really care, so I left it in there.
Wow.
You seem like you're pretty busy, so I don't want to. So it's pretty strong. We did all this to add strength to it.
It's 4-post, right? If you flip it over, you have two.
You have something that you can possibly send it in email. Miami's 2. Yeah, you get 100 miles per day. So if you come to Miami from Orlando, you can definitely be over. But we also have a location in Miami where you can rent the vehicles here as well.
He thinks it's cool, he just can't say it out loud.
See you. Let me see.
This is the lip. Here, take it, hold it.
No, it's fine. I know it's light.
Hold it.
What should we do with this?
Yeah, that's great. That's great.
That's a spoiler.
This is the spoiler.
Sick. It's a 3M tape on the other side.
Yeah. It's dope, huh?
That's sick, bro.
So,
You just gotta put in here, you know, or
this is the quick update for the C8 build. So, huge shout out to RSC Tuning, who gave us the lip and the spoiler for the C8. We're gonna link down below to their website to check out some of the products that they make. They manufacture these parts for a bunch of different cars, but this is for the C8. So we're super excited to see how this will look.
Sick.
You know what we need to get these guys to do? Eventually, we need to get like, you know, the crown molding, the baseboards that we have in the office. All carbon fiber everywhere. All of this carbon fiber everywhere. That'd be sick.
Sick.
While they were here, they were talking to us about potentially. They came.
Yeah.
And we were talking, and they said that maybe what we can do is create a new kit, a kit specifically for an exotic car made for durability, something that a rental company can really test out because it hits the road all the time, gets a lot of wear and tear. Something that
We need to do that on one of the Huracans. Like
What?
the whole
Did they
kit.
came in like a normal car, or they came like?
Yeah, the pickup truck. They have a whole bunch of equipment on their stuff.
okay.
But yeah, the quality is insane, man.
I mean, yeah,
That's
it's got
perfect.
background.
Yeah.
Moldings and stuff. Yeah.
We should do one of the Huracans of that. Keep on talking about it.
for sure. We'll link it down below.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Today we're gonna put Maxwell photos in danger again, which we do on the regular.
I'm with MPH.
AMG G63 out on the road. We're gonna get some rollers, and hopefully Max doesn't die. Let's fill it up at the gas station first, and let's hit the road.
Basically 623 and 643 and 624 on 56.
I don't think he'll give us a ticket.
Listen, bro, he's being kind. Let's go to the office. It's fine.
What's up guys? We just restocked a lot of sizing in the t-shirts in our merch shop. If you want to check it out, we just added this new design. This is the In the Club t-shirt. This is actually designed by Arturo, and you can see behind In the Club the actual MPH Club logo in yellow. It's a cool shirt. It's quickly become a favorite on our team. And if you want to get yours, just click the link in the description and it'll take you to our merch shop. There you'll find all the different t-shirts, all the different hats, sizing. And this one is only here for a limited time, so get yours before they're gone.